Hi, my name's Andy, and in this short video, I'm going to take you through a demonstration of the SEO platform. The platform that's going to help you build an SEO strategy, implement that strategy, then track your results ongoing so you can see what's working, not working, and get your website to the top of the Google search rankings. So this is the dashboard. Instead of taking you too much through here, I'm going to take you through some of the key features. To keep this video a little bit shorter, first feature I'm going to take you through is the keyword research feature. So let's head over there now. Welcome to the keyword research feature. Within this feature, you're going to build your list of keywords that you want your website to rank for. Think of keyword as the phrases that your customers search for when they're looking for the products or services that you sell. So naturally, they're the keywords you want to be at the top of Google for. The platform's going to help you get to the top of Google. But first, it needs to know what these keywords are. And this feature is going to help you identify them. So let me take you through how to find keywords. Now, one of the first ways to find keywords is to give the platform an idea of maybe one of the products or services that you already offer. And you can do that by adding a seed keyword over here under the title, Add Keyword Idea. If you don't know what keyword to add initially, that's absolutely fine. The platform's going to help you. If you look under here, you'll see this button that says Suggested Keywords. Click on this, and then click on the Show More button. The platform itself has already identified some initial keywords that you can add into the platform. So have a look through this list and see if any of them resonate with you and make you think, yeah, that keyword sums up my business, or that keyword's relevant to a product or service that I sell. So the business that we've added into here are a plumbing company within Boston, Massachusetts. So if we have a look down here, it's all really relevant, but the one that kind of sticks out to me as the most relevant is Plumber Boston. So let's add that in. So if we click Plumber Boston, what we'll see now is that over here in this right-hand table, there's going to be lots of keywords that we can look through. The keyword itself, Boston Plumber, but also lots of other related keywords. Because actually, sometimes what you might think would be the best keyword might not be, and there might be a variation which has a better search volume or a lower difficulty. So you'll see search volume over here. Search volume is a number given to us directly from Google. And it says, on average, how many people search for that keyword in Google every month. So the keyword Boston Plumber is searched for in Google by people 1,300 times on average every month. There may be seasonal trends, but over a year, that's the average per month. And here it's going to show us difficulty. And difficulty can range from very high to low, with high and medium in between. Now, ideally, what we recommend is trying to go for low or medium keywords, because these are going to be the ones that are going to be most achievable for you to rank for. The higher the difficulty, the more SEO that's required, and the longer the time scale. So we can see here the keyword Boston Plumber, 1,300 searches a month, low keyword. This is a great keyword to choose. I'd go, let's go for this keyword. So when we find a key that we like, we just tick this button here. If we go a little bit lower, we see now Plumber, Boston, Massachusetts. We can add that in. Now we can go through the same process with other keywords. We can either use the suggested keywords, or we can type in our own phrases. What we can also do within this feature is add in a competitor. Adding competitors can be a great way to find keywords as well, because your competitors may have already done their SEO research and are already ranking perhaps for some keywords that you might not have thought of, or some really good keywords with search volume and a low difficulty. So you add in their URL here. If you can't think of any competitors, just click this button and it will show you some of the competitors that the platform's identified. What we're looking for here when adding competitors are like-for-like competitors. So think about, do they offer similar products and similar services in the similar region that you do? So Yelp.com wouldn't be a great competitor to add, because yes, they may rank very high for the keywords you're going for, but they're not a like-for-like competitor. They're a directory. Same for Angie. However, bostonsplumber.com sounds perfect. Based in Boston, and they're plumbers. So we'll add them. Great. Now, we can see that they've been added in here, and we can see all the keywords that they rank for. So if I would now want to find just the ones that mention Boston, I can now see here, Boston Plumbers, Plumber in Boston. Let's add that one as well. And you can go through the whole list and find the best keywords. Another thing that you can do is hover on here. Now you can see the keywords that you already rank for. So if you've already done SEO in the past, you've had a company do SEO previously to us, then it's worth having a look here to see what keywords you're already ranking for so you can build them into your strategy. You can see all of your competitors' keywords and blog ideas. So this can show you keywords that would be great for blogs. So let's choose this one here, how to fix a slow flushing toilet. Once you're happy that you've gone through and you've chosen a good selection of keywords, and we would recommend 10 to 20 to start with, click the Save Keywords button. What you can do here, if we press Next, is we can get the platform to use its AI, inbuilt AI, to review these keywords for you. Because you still might not be sure at this point whether the keywords you've chosen have actually been the best keywords. The great thing about this AI is that it's been trained to be like your own personal SEO consultant. Because it's going to look at your industry, so we can see here plumber. It's going to look at the keywords that you've selected, and just like a real SEO consultant, it's going to do a review. It's going to look at the difficulty, search volume, the keyword relevance, and go, okay, are these the best keywords? And that's going to give you complete peace of mind that you've yourself been able to pick the best keywords for your website. So let's click yes. And now we can see what's happened here. So looking at the keywords we've added, we've got this column that says review. And they've all got ticks next to it, which is a good sign. So if we hover over here, it says Boston plumber is a good keyword for a plumber looking to drive more customers. It's highly relevant to the business as it directly relates to the service provided and the location in which it is offered. And we can see that it's ticked for the others. However, you might see when you're going through this process that sometimes the AI doesn't actually think it's a great keyword. Have a read of the description, see why it doesn't think it is. Try to take that on board, and it will also give you suggestions on what you think will be a good keyword. Okay, so now that we've chosen keywords and we've built up a list of the phrases that you want to rank high in Google for, we need to go to the next stage, which is what we call the keyword sitemap. So let's head there now. The next feature I'm going to show you is called the keyword sitemap feature. This is a very important part of building an SEO strategy within the platform. You've already chosen your keywords on the previous step. Now you need to tell the platform what page you want to rank for those keywords. Because this is really important, right? When someone's in Google and they search the keyword that you want to rank for, you want to make sure that Google's showing the best possible page for that searcher. Because if Google shows the wrong page, then that searcher, when it lands on your website, might not be presented with the best possible content, and therefore will be less likely to become a customer. So this is a very important part. So the way that we do it is you'll have all of your pages listed here. Now you have to add these yourself. The home page will be added automatically, but to add your pages, the most important pages, just click this add page button. And then from here, you'll have a list of all the URLs that the platform has found. Now, we're focusing on the page that talks about Boston. So I'm going to add that in here. And then I'm going to click add page. Now this has been added, I can now tell the platform that for this page, the keywords I want it to rank for in Google. So if I click here, I can choose all of my Boston pages, my Boston keywords. Boston plumber, Massachusetts, plumber in Boston, plumber, company Boston, services Boston. Now, I'm not going to add the keyword how to fix a slow flushing toilet because I don't want people that search that keyword to land on a page that just talks about Boston plumbers. I want it to land on a blog page. And actually, the platform's already telling me here what keywords it should rank for. And it's got this little cross, which is telling me not to add it to this URL because it's ranking on a different page. So if I click this, add 5 keywords to page. Great. Now the platform knows that for this page here, the keywords that I want this page to rank high in Google for, and it's going to help me on the next step. Now you can go ahead and repeat this process for all of the keywords that you've got, that you've added into your basket from the previous step, and have a think about, for those keywords, what page do you want to rank high in Google? What's the page that you think will get the highest conversion rate, will give the best user experience? One of the great additional features on this page is this auto assign button up here. What this will do is look at the keywords that you've added to your basket. And if the platform can see that they're actually already ranking really well on a particular page of your website, it'll auto assign it for you. So you don't have to think about what's the best keyword. So let's click this button. What we should find is, yep, we can see that for the keyword how to fix a slow flushing toilet, it's auto assigned it to the blog post slow flushing toilet fix Boston. So that's great. And we can see here it's ranking position 7. Once you've assigned all of your keywords to relevant pages on your website, then you want to go down here and click this review sitemap button. If we click this, just look on the previous step. Our SEO trained AI is going to look at the decisions you've made, the keywords that you've assigned to the different pages, and it's going to give you a review to say whether or not it thinks they've been good choices. Let's click the confirm button. Great. Now we can see just here where we've got a green tick. So for this one, we can see the green tick here. What that means is that the AI agrees with all the keywords that we've assigned to this page. You can read the description there to understand why that is. And that's the same for this one as well. So once we're happy with this, then we can move on. Click the Save Sitemap. And the next feature I'm going to show you is our content tool. It's going to help you identify blog topics and even write the blogs for you, optimized for specific keywords. So let's head there now. The first thing to do in this feature is to add in a keyword or a topic that you want to write blogs around. So, as we saw before, the website already ranks really well for how to fix a slow flushing toilet. So let's say that we actually want to find more blog titles to write around slow flushing toilet. I'm going to put slow flushing toilet and press add content keyword. What's going to happen now is that the platform is going to go away and it's going to find the top questions that people ask around the keyword slow flushing toilet. And as you can see, if we scroll down the page, we can see a lot of titles here. They've been generated via 3 methods. The people also ask questions on Google, some long tail keyword ideas, and also the most popular videos on YouTube around this. What we want to do is build up a scrapboard to pick the titles that we most want to write our content around. So if we scroll down here, how do I make my toilet flush stronger? Let's click plus. Now, what we want to do is we want to head up to our content scrapboard, because on our content scrapboard, we can get our AI content wizard to write the blog post for us. So let's click on that now. Okay, before we get the AI content wizard to write the blog for us, another great feature is to click the edit content button. Here, I can edit the title before the AI content wizard writes the blog post for us. But what I can also do is I can add in additional keywords. And what that AI content writer will do is, just like a real SEO writer will do, is they'll add those keywords into the content, therefore helping you rank for even more keywords. So you can see that the keyword slow flushing toilet has been added automatically because that's the keyword we searched for initially. Let's say we also wanted it to rank for additional keywords such as fast toilet flush or speed up toilet flush. Great, because we found that these are related keywords that someone might search for when they're also searching slow flushing toilet, fast toilet flush, speed up toilet flush. Now, let's click Save Title. Let's get the AI content wizard to write this blog post for us. All we have to do is click the Run Content Wizard button, and the Content Wizard is going to write at least 600 words of unique copy for this blog post based on the keywords that you want to rank for. And then it's a blog post that you can add to your website. So I'm just going to pause this, as this can take usually around 2 to 3 minutes to run. We'll be back in a second. Now that it's run, we can have a look at the blog post. So we've got the title at the top, and we've got an introduction. Slow flushing toilet can be a source of great frustration. Not only does it waste time, but it also can lead to unpleasant odours and unsightly messes. Absolutely. So if we scroll down, we can see the length of the blog post. So it's a really nice, well-written blog post with clean structures, different headings, introduction, and a conclusion. What we can also see, probably easiest thing to do, is see the keywords. So if I search for fast toilet flush, fast flushing toilet, fast toilet flush. Let's look for speed up. Okay, speeding up your slow flushing toilet, speed up your toilet flush. I think the first keyword was slow flushing toilet. So we can see that that's mentioned. So all 3 of those keywords have been optimized in a very natural way. What we can do now is you can take this blog post, copy and paste it, and take it over to your website. And there you go. You've got an optimized blog post optimized for 3 keywords, all done within a couple of minutes tops. Next, I want to take you to the actions. This is the section of the platform that's going to help you implement the strategy we built earlier, which is the keywords we want to rank for and on what pages. So let's head over there now. The actions feature is the real beating heart of the platform, and it's where our users spend most of their time. Once they've built their strategy, they've picked their keywords, they've decided what pages they want to optimize, they've decided what blogs they want to write, then all of that information is collated within the platform, and the platform generates actions that you, the user, need to complete every single month. And these are broken down and prioritized for you based on what changes you can make that's going to have the biggest impact getting your website to the top of Google for those keywords. So it's looking at your website data, it's looking at your competitors' data, it's looking at your backlinks, it's looking at your page speed, it's looking at technical, it's looking at rankings, it's looking at Google search. It's gathering all this information so that you don't have to, and converting that information into individual actions that you need to complete that will improve your SEO. So this is what it looks like. You'll see at the top, you'll have a progress bar. This is based on how much time you can spend within the platform. So within your settings, you can tell the platform and say, I've got 4 hours that I can spend on SEO this month, or I've got 8 hours, or I've got 10 hours. What will happen is based on how much time you tell the platform you can complete on SEO, the platform will reprioritize the actions it gives you. So if you've got 4 hours, it will go, okay, here's 10 actions that you need to complete that will take 4 hours. However, if you say you've got 10 hours, it'll go, right, here's 30 actions that will take you 10 hours. And these are the best 30 actions that you can complete this month to improve your SEO. So you'll have a progress bar that will keep you on track and make sure that you're on track in terms of your performance. And then you'll see different actions. So we'll have what we call platform actions. So these might be as simple as you've got more credits to add more competitors, but they might be actual website changes, which are what we call site-wide. So here, we've noticed that multiple pages have the same title tag. Now, if you don't know what a title tag is, don't worry about it. You'll learn when you're on the platform. If you look at this action, it's going to take 35 minutes to complete, and it's got the color red next to it. Red indicates its level of priority. So red are high priority actions. And what that means is they're quick win. They're things that you need to do. They're the fundamentals of your SEO. Improving these can improve your performance immediately. You'll get yellow, which is moderate priority. And then you get green, which is low priority or longer term wins. Now, if you click on it, you'll see there are these 3 tabs. What you need to do, why it's important, and then how to do it. So what you do is you follow these instructions, you go to your website, you make the changes, and then you come back to the platform and you press this complete action button. And this is really, really important because what this will do is it will go away and it will check in real time that you've made the change that the platform wants you to do. So if I click complete action, then the platform goes away. It looks, make sure I've done all of this stuff, that I haven't got multiple pages with the same title tag. And as long as I've done that correctly, then the action will be ticked off, we'll say well done, and then you can work on your next action. So moving down, you can see here, this is for the Boston, Massachusetts plumbers page. So I've got include target keywords within the page title and information there. And then also some of your images are missing alt text. Now if we move down, we've got more technical actions. So we've spotted a 404 page, or there's multiple H1 headings, or there's broken images. So the actions will be across everything. What you do is you systematically work through your actions every single month. And this is really important for SEO because this is what Google wants to see, right? This is the reason that SEO doesn't take a month, but it takes multiple months because you need to build your level of trust in Google's eyes. You need to show that you're an expert, an authority, and trustworthy. Google uses the acronym EAT for this. You need to prove that, and you do that over time by consistently optimizing your website, improving the factors that it looks for, such as better content, better on-site SEO, better backlinks, etc. And writing new content. And you do that every single month. And over time, Google sees that you're trustworthy and you're worthy of being on page 1. So you'll go through this and you'll make these changes every single month, working your way through. So this is the actions. I'll now take you onto the reporting parts of the platform. So the keyword tracker looks a little bit like this. Now, you can see, because this is a demo account and it's just been set up, there's not much data in here, but hopefully this can give you a good indication of what to expect if you sign up to the platform. So if we scroll down here, we'll see this table. It shows all the keywords on the left, keywords that we selected and we want to rank for, the URL that's ranking in Google, if a URL is ranking, where they rank for currently. So the numbers are based on the absolute position. So 6 means page 1, position 6. 14 means page 2, position 4, because there are 10 positions on this page, etc., etc. And then over time, you'll see where your keywords are ranking on the previous day, last week, last month. It will show you search volume and also a deeper analysis. If you click on this, you can see the specific competitors and more information on that keyword. Now, if you go to the top, you'll find more information as well. Average ranking. Now, because it's just been a single day, there isn't an average ranking to gather here. However, over time, we will see this. You can also overlay this with the most recent Google algorithm updates to see if there was an increase in ranking or a drop in ranking that can correlate with an algorithm update. You can also see your top competition and also untracked keywords. So these are the keywords that your website already ranks for, but you didn't add as a keyword initially at the start. So if you do spot any keywords that you want to rank for or get the platform to help you to rank for, click the plus button and it'll be added to your basket. Great, so now let me show you the report builder. Report builder is going to enable you to build your own custom SEO reports and get them sent to yourself, tailored specifically for your business, for your colleagues, etc. So you can build either from scratch using the widgets, or you can use a template. Here's one I made earlier. Let me go into edit this report. Okay, great. So you can see here, we've got the report on the right. This report consists of 5 pages, each with different pieces of information. And over on the left here, we can see. So at the top, we have the ability to change the date range. We can change the page ordering of the pages themselves. We can download it or we can schedule it as well. Now, going into each of the reports, everything is made via widgets. So you can see here, we've got a heading and a text widget. So on the left, report heading relates to this, and text area widget relates to this. Then if we go down, here we've got another text widget, and now some of the specific widgets within the platform itself. So we've got completed actions and upcoming actions. Then moving down, we can see keyword rankings with average keyword ranking, which is going to have no data because it's a demo account, but then top 20 keyword rankings and where the current position is. Now, if you ever want to build your own page or add in your own widgets, it's really, really simple. You just click this add widget button here. Now we've got this information. So we've got GA4 data that we can pull through, lots of pre-made widgets for you, search console widgets, keyword ranking widgets, citation, backlinks, actions. Every bit of data within the platform can be built into the report builder so you can create and customize your own report to send to yourself. Okay, now that we've finished with the report builder, I'm going to take you back to the dashboard. I hope you found this demonstration of the platform helpful. There are lots of features that I haven't been able to run through. For example, we have a whole feature set on analyzing competitors, a whole feature set on improving your Google business profile, formerly known as Google My Business, local listing and getting that higher in the Google Maps listings, and a whole feature set around backlinks, helping you to see your current backlinks, build new backlinks, and even clean up your existing backlinks. We also have an academy as well. So if you really want to dive deep into SEO and learn more around SEO, we have a video-based academy. But yeah, hopefully you found this helpful. Hopefully you can see the benefits of using this platform to improving your website SEO. Have a great day. Bye-bye.